What's up guys, welcome to this new video tutorial where I will be showing you what is loose light that we can obtain unlimited coins to pocket FM. For example, if I go to the section of my store and the top, you can see how I have so many coins to be able to make use of the application, practically skips any capture. I have no limitations whatsoever. I can also have the E8. So the only thing we are going to do is reinstalling the application, and don't worry, this works for iPhone and Android. We will be using this platform CatOS to make the process automatically. So let's go guys. In this case, I will be using Google Chrome browser. We are simply going to open a new tab to generate, use a new search. You need to type the next URL. You need to write this URL, goapp.me. Let's click on the Go button, and this page will be loading us. In this platform, you can install a lot of applications. So we need to install the Pocket FM application. You can search in the search input. So we will simply have to click here. And as you can see, will give us a confirmation of the application that is very simple to do, because all we have to do is click here. Just in that button, start injection. Let's click in. And the process is about to begin installation. Here we should simply wait. The time it takes for installation, which is quite fast, as you can see here, is making the installation directly from the application or our device. In that case, if you use an Android device or an iOS device, it's the same process. Let's wait the process to be complete. Here the slotting. And what is over, as you can see, we need to complete this verification. It's very simple, guys. The only thing that you need to do is install one of these apps. So you need to be careful with the instructions. In my case, it appears in Spanish, but you need to install one app. So we have already finished the verification, and the app is installed right now. And I go to my menu. You can see the icon of the app. Let's open. And okay guys, it's already working normally for us. If I go to the beginning, the home catalog, I'm going to click in the store button to see my guns. And look at that, I already have a lot of coins. This application is helping us to generate all these coins. Well guys, that's as far as we are going to leave this video. I hope you like it, and I will see you in the next video.